Very good and yummy. I'm sure you will like it. Come to eat.
Welcome to Thailand, the land of
Amazing
smile.
Thailand chicken feet.
I'm here with my guy. Introduce
Hello
yourself.
guys, my name is Kyle Praise. We are right here in Bangkok, Thailand. We're going to be checking out some amazing Thai dishes.
Where are we going?
Right now we are at Foodie market. We're going to be seeing
Who are we
Lady-
going to meet?
the famous Lady Oil. She has amazing noodles.
Alright, so guys, stick around, subscribe to his YouTube channel, Kaiwa Craves, and also show him love. Stay tuning. Alright, so I had taken a couple of months without visiting this lady, and she has been always telling me, William, you need to visit my shop. Now, today is today. Alright. Before she was this side.
Yeah, she used to be the opposite side, but now she changed location.
Okay.
I think she's already
She's here. She's live.
Yeah. I think she's already streaming live.
Surprise!
Hi, I'm shocked. Hi, how are you?
You're good?
Morning.
I'm good.
Hey.
I'm good to see you too.
Long time.
Long time no see.
สวัสดี
Wow.
How are you?
I'm good. You come never tell me before no, today.
Surprise.
I'm not beautiful outfit.
Oh no, you're very beautiful.
But you're live, so
Huh? Today my office just look take it easy.
freestyle, right?
Yes.
Good.
Huh?
How is it going? How is the business?
Good. Someday
Good?
good, someday not good. But vegetarian festival is so quiet.
Okay.
Just good because have half day. For,
Oh,
you know
I see, I
about
see.
half day.
Yeah.
Customer pay half.
The customer pay
Yes.
half. There's a
Good.
promotion right now
Huh?
where the locals pay half price. Have you heard of it?
You need to go ก่อนร้านนะ
Oh,
Very
ก่อน
good
ร้าน
area มากๆเลย
Where? Kolan?
Yeah ก่อนร้านพัทยา
I was there last week.
Oh you go already
Yeah, I was there last week. Actually, he
Have
was
fun.
also there
I was
a
also
few
there
months.
A couple of months.
Huh?
Yeah. I was also there. I think 2 months ago.
2 months ago go together เหรอ
No,
For me, I
no.
was there 1 week. Actually, last weekend.
last week
I saw your pictures at Poland.
Yes
Oh, very great.
You had amazing content in Kolan.
Thank you say hello everyone William
hello,
and,
everyone, guys.
and friend William นะ
We're right here at
Beautiful people, what's up?
What's up
How you doing? Hope my voice is loud and clear. Yes, it has been a couple of months without me coming to visit my longtime friend.
definitely been a
And yes, indeed, I'm here. I will be tasting the food,
What are you preparing
saying
today?
hello.
Huh?
What are you
And-
cooking today?
Chicken king curry
Chicken.
Wow.
Yes
I think the last time I tried chicken green curry and
beef curry
Nanya club.
Oh yeah
Yeah. I still remember the
Do
name.
you like sweet or no
A little bit.
Little bit
Yeah.
Maybe you try chili dip sweet too
Definitely.
Eat
What,
with corn
what time did you open today?
10 o'clock
Oh, it's 10.
10 o'clock
Very
to
spicy.
8 o'clock 8 p.m.
That's open from 10 in the morning to 8 p.m. in the evening. So if you want to come check it out,
This get near finish
these are amazing.
You like football เหรอ Do you like football
Yeah, I
How
do
about
play
your nose?
football. My
So
nose,
hurt, look so hurt
my nose is now okay. I got a surgery.
Surgery nose
Yeah. But now it's good.
Good
Yeah.
It
Hi. Huh?
This hurt ไหม
Yeah, I really went through hard times when I got nose injury. Nozzle injury.
벌써 모동 소리지 아주.
Look at this. Wow. Today I've come to taste your food. I miss your food. Yeah.
รับอะไรดีคะ
ป่าพิเศษ2
อยากใส่ผักด้านหน้าได้เลยค่ะ Thank you น้องแอลลอน for sharing channel
Greetings, guys. My name is Williams, and today I went to visit my long-time friend, and her name is Oil Lady Noodle Shop. So, in case you don't know her channel, here it is. This is her channel, YouTube channel. Subscribe, show her love, support her. You know, Lady Oil Noodle Shop. Yeah. So we are in Udomsuk. Udomsuk is also in Bangkok. Udomsuk, right?
my market
Yeah.
Udomsuk roll
So to get here, you have to use the Sky Train. Yeah, you can use a Sky Train, the BTS. Yeah, to this market. So come and subscribe, come and taste her food. She does amazing food. So today I'll be having boiled eggs, noodles, and chicken curry. Did you cook chicken curry?
Yes you can eat
All right. I must taste that. That is my favorite.
What soup your favorite
Chicken curry.
This is so strong coconut milk
Coconut milk.
อะไรนะ
Wow, look at that.
สดมาก
So yummy.
This secret when you put eggplant you cannot
Oh, you
just
cannot
wait
stir.
for yes
For how
because
many minutes?
skin eggplant will
Oh, I
looking
see, I see.
white if you do something like this skin eggplant will not good black
It's a new technique, guys.
this salt 100พอดีค่ะพี่เบียร์ขอบคุณค่ะ
How many packets of salt do you have to put in?
1.5 pack
1.5, eh?
yeah oh sorry
Oh, never mind. Where is boy?
boy go Lala move working
Oh, he's
have
up.
another job help me find money I send cat ก่อน
You want to change gas?
yes yeah.
Oh, the phone is going to fall down.
This egg right so big right
Wait,
your
wait.
party have big ไหม
What is happening to my
It
phone?
is really big.
Similar bit.
This chicken.
finish look so hot มากเปิดเลยครับ ตังค์มาเก็บตอนเย็นนะครับ เปิดแล้วใช่ไหมเปิดแล้วครับ โอเค ขอบคุณครับ โอ้ มา อัพเลเวลแก๊สไลท์นาวแล้วแอนโอเพนสโตร์แก๊สไลท์นาว
Something of yellow with me.
Okay let's go serve นะคะ have rice noodle do you want chicken feet or no no chicken burger this can
No, no,
Cannot.
no blood. That is blood.
yes
I don't eat blood.
กะทิโคโคนัทมิลค์โซสตรองมากเลยนะคะ
Sure.
very good and yummy I'm sure you will like it come to eat now I you want me take off เหรอ
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
hot oh hot hot hot
So hot.
hot hot โอ้ hot มาก You can limit another soup. This limit good also. If you don't like sweet, don't ask. Yes, very coconut milk. This one I prefer นะคะ limit soup. Very coconut milk. And can add something more. Have chicken breast, chicken
Guys, let's have a taste, okay? Wow.
That's nobody.
The taste is dope, you know. So,
And you can try vegetable.
these are
If it
eggplants.
turns so tasty. Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was scary.
Guys, it's raining. So that was thunder, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was very loud.
What's this that you're going to have?
Two soup premix bakery coconut milk with fish ball. This
Oh.
I can add because มันจะได้ look look good.
Guys, who are there? This is what I'm going to have. Yeah. Show them what I'm going to have. Show them.
So I will try some corn.
Amazing food, strong coconut milk with chicken in curry. Come to eat and come to my shop, Lady Oil. I will give you some delicious.
Good, good, good. Welcome to Thailand, the land of
Thailand chicken
smiles.
feet.
The land of smiles. So let's test this. Let's test this. Let's test this. Let me try out this one. So yummy. These are noodles, a boiled egg, chicken. Now this soup is called chicken curry. Show them here. With too much spicy.